You will not be this young forever. You will not be this spry, this springy, इतना energetic. तुम आइंदा कभी भी नहीं होगे. This is your peak. ठीक है, तो you have to utilize it. You cannot waste your life. तुम्हें तरीके चाहिए to make the most out of your day. और कि एक बहुत फेमस बात है, करियर पे फोकस करो, खेलना कूदना कम करो, टाइम ना जाया करो. I feel like a large chunk of that is just nonsense. Honestly, you get this life once. अब उसमें अगर तुम इस यंग एज में सिर्फ अपनी पढ़ाई को टाइम दे दो तो you're probably wasting time, है ना. You need hobbies, you need interests. But एक वजह से उनकी बात पूरी तरह से nonsense नहीं है, because you do need to focus on your career as well. You need to build a future for yourself where you can allow yourself enough financial freedom to do or pursue all your hobbies and interests. पूरी बात का जो निचोड़ ये है कि you need to make the most out of your day, basically. When you're young, you need to say yes to a lot of stuff. You need to try out everything you can. You will never know कि कितनी चीजें तुम्हें लगता है कि ओ मुझे इसमें मजा नहीं आएगा. Once you try it once और तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि oh I'm actually really interested in this. But common examples, and those things you incorporate into your weekly life or monthly life. It's just to upgrade into your life. A simple example, for a large part of the past 5 years, I've primarily or only played basketball. It's sad. I tried out football, I tried out cricket, and I tried out paddle. I play all 4 of these sports weekly. So that's like 4 hobbies, 4 interests, and it's like you have a separate friend group for each thing, and it just adds to your life. You learn stuff from everything. Trust me, guys. हर चीज से कुछ ना कुछ सीखोगे. You will never realize your potential until you overburden yourself. ये एक बात है. बहुत जरूरी बात. Here's what the past 6 months have looked like for me. I'm a university student. I worked a 6 to 3 job, which is 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. I played 4 sports. I went to the gym and I ran. उसके ऊपर से I play guitar. Point is, on a weekly basis, I used to manage all these interests. And I got proper sleep. अब ये कैसे होता है? Very simply, you need a calendar. Calendar बनाओ. देखो, the simplest way to management is accountability. उसके बाद you also need to set priorities. Obviously, आजकल priority is university. Weekly मतलब you need to go there every weekday. उसके बाद you have your job, obviously, जो night shift वाली job है. The plus point is it was a night shift and it was remote. Then it's your hobbies that come into play. So primarily, I focus on basketball and running. All the other things, they come secondary. In that order, you give yourself time उस calendar में. Stick to that और फिर देखो कि कैसे नहीं तुम्हारी चीजें manage हो जाती हैं. I personally have used Google Calendar and Notion Calendar and they're both very helpful. मेरी ये सारी hobbies देख के I do look back at my teenagers. मैंने अपने पूरे टीनेजर्स में बेड पे लेट के गेमें खेली हैं. आई वुड नॉट गो बैक टू दैट कभी भी. एंड आई नो कि वेरी इजीली आई कुड गो बैक टू दैट लाइफ वेयर आई बिकम अ यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट. आई गो कम होम, आई एम टायर्ड एज हेल एंड आई जस्ट गो टू स्लीप और जस्ट स्क्रॉल रील्स ऑन माय फोन. लास्टली आई लाइक टू पॉइंट आउट वन मैसिव थिंग. अगर तुम अपने केपेबल एरा में कुछ नहीं करोगे ना, जब तुम्हारे पास टाइम है, तुम्हारे पास मीन्स हैं वो चीज करने के लिए, और बाद में तुम्हें अंदाजा होगा ओ उस वक्त मुझे ये चीज कर लेनी चाहिए थी, उससे बड़ा रिग्रेट कोई नहीं होगा तुम्हारे पास. द बेस्ट टाइम इज राइट नाउ. अगर तुम्हारे पास अभी टाइम है तो यू नीड to pursue whatever you want to. Do not overthink it. Just do it. कर लो, जाके कर लो. Start working towards that business. Start working towards that hobby. Start learning that instrument. Start learning that sport. Because बाद में वो मजा नहीं आता. बाद में वो time नहीं होता. बाद में you have other things to take care of. And that's something that I'm slowly realizing is that heading into my 20s, I will absolutely not have the time to do all these hobbies. So why not make the most of it और अभी कर लूँ, like enjoy them fully right now. At least बाद में regret तो नहीं होगा कि मैंने उस वक्त ये चीज नहीं की और अभी तो मेरे पास टाइम भी नहीं है वो चीज करने का. Anyways, मेरा नाम नूर मोहम्मद है. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and drop a comment of what you thought about the video. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.